Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Art plays a crucial role in society and human life for several reasons. Here is a beautiful drawing and art of a clipboard. Art evokes emotions, making it a powerful tool for self-expression and communication. It allows artists to convey feelings and ideas that might be difficult to express with others. Engaging with art fosters creativity and encourages innovative thinking. It challenges norms and allows people to see the world from different perspectives. You can make different things by using art, designs, and creativity. Art has historically been a vehicle for social commentary and change. It can challenge injustice, raise awareness about important issues, and inspire movements for social transformations. By using the paper, you can draw different things. Art therapy is used to promote mental and emotional well being. Beyond its practical purpose, art enriches life with beauty and aesthetic. Art industries contribute to the economy through the sale of work and entertainment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Even you can draw different things on paper and balls. This looks amazing. Additionally, art education enhances critical thinking, problem solving, and observational skills, which are valuable across various fields. You can draw mango different shapes of fruits by using art. Creating or engaging with art allows individuals to explore their inner worlds and discover more about themselves. Through the artistic process, people can gain insight into their own thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. You can draw different things on paper. All these work art looks amazing. Art brings people together, fostering a sense of community and shared identity. From public art installations